So, guys, anything in the external environment that is invoking a certain emotion in you is controlling you in some way. For example, let's think about money. So, how much money do you have in your wallet or your UPI account? And what do you think about it? What do you feel about it? Now, if it's not a lot of money, you might feel less than, you might feel not worthy. Um, you might feel motivated to earn more money. If it's a lot of money, you might be content. That might lead to complacency or greed, wherein you risk it to make even more money. So, all your actions that are following your emotions are proof that money is controlling you. This can go for anything external. So, how do you deal with that? You de-link yourself, your identity, and your self worth with the external thing, and you think it's just a thing and it doesn't determine my self worth. Now, this will make it possible for you to take rational and practical actions de-linked from the emotion.